Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have permissions and the Maker portal open, so begin by selecting your model-driven app. First, confirm the dashboard you want exists or create a new system/dashboard record. Next, open the app designer and choose the area where the dashboard will appear. Once done, click Add Subarea or Component depending on your editor version to insert the dashboard. Make sure to pick the dashboard type and link the exact view or chart you prepared, so the app will display live data. You now configure the dashboard component inside the app. Select the dashboard you added and adjust layout size, columns, and which charts or views appear in each region so users see key metrics immediately. Then set default filters and security roles so only the right audience sees the content. This avoids clutter and data leakage. Once configured, preview the app within the designer to confirm spacing and interactivity. If panels overlap or data doesn't load, tweak component size or source views. You're at the finish line. Save and publish your app so changes go live. Then validate by opening the model-driven app as a typical user and test data refresh, interactions, and mobile layout. Make sure permissions match expected roles and that charts return current results. If something fails, clear browser cache and verify dashboard security roles and data source connections. Permissions or stale caches are common culprits. Finally, iterate on layout or components until the user experience is smooth and informative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.